Welcome back to Cooking with Me. Continuing on with our Keto BBQ Series, today's installment is titled A Tale of Two Cheeses, because we are making bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers with, you guessed it, two different cheeses. Which one is better, you might ask? The cheddar, but only if you dip it in sour cream. Now, depending on which cheese I use, it will change the way I cut the pepper. By the way, today's episode is brought to you by knives, which is my favorite tool to cut peppers. Now, I usually cut the tops and bottoms off no matter what. But then, if I'm doing cheddar, I'll just trim off the sides and it makes more of a pocket. Now, some people don't know this, but all of the heat and spiciness is in the white stuff, like the seeds and this membrane stuff inside the pepper, so I have to cut all that out. And I suggest you do too if you value your butt. Now, if I'm using the cream cheese, I will cut the tops and bottoms off, and then I will cut the pepper in half down the middle. So each pepper will make two bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. Now we just have to stuff the peppers with the cheese. And this is the one that I left the top and bottom on. You see how it makes a nice little pocket? And you just wrap it with a strip of bacon. And voila. You take a slice of cream cheese, put it on one of the pepper halves, and then you wrap that with bacon. Okay, so once you have the bacon wrapped on there, they're ready to put on the grill. I usually put these on first because they take the longest to cook. I usually cook these things for about 25 minutes or so, and you can go even longer if you want the bacon more crispy. But you don't want to put it right on top of the heat. I put them around the sides, not right on top of the coals. That way they don't flare up and burn. As far as temperature goes, I normally have the grill set to about 400 to 450 degrees if I'm cooking a ribeye, and that temperature works just fine. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking with Me. I've been me. Have you been you?
Cooking with me. Cooking with me. Doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.